Hey guys, so hope you're all doing great. So in this video we're gonna do this lead code number 41, which is called first missing positive. It's a really famous question, guys. Like it has been asked by a lot of companies, right? So you guys might want to do this, right? Because you want to ace those data science interviews, right? Who doesn't want to, right? So this has been asked by like recently by Google and also Amazon in their data science interviews. So let's see. So given an unsorted integer array nums, return the smallest missing positive integer. You must implement an algorithm that runs in big of n time and uses constant space. Okay. So I'm not really sure about the constant space part, right? But let's see what kind of an algorithm we can use. Okay, so if you see clearly, this doesn't have any negative numbers, right? So starting from 1, or let's say starting from the number 0, the next number is 1 and the next number is 2. So basically we have a kind of so all three of these numbers are in a sequence, right? 0, 1, 2, they are consecutive. So our answer would be 3 because 3 is the last number plus 1. Okay. Now let's start this. So starting from which is the smallest positive integer, that is 1, right? So 1, and then the next one is 2. 2 is missing from here, right? So 2 would be our answer. For this case, it's starting from 7. The smallest number here is 7, but it's missing 1, right? One's the smallest missing positive, one's the smallest positive integer, and it doesn't have 1. So we return 1 as the answer, right? So based on this algorithm, based on this approach, we can code up our solution, right? And at the end of implementing that algorithm, we'll also have a little brainstorming session from Leetcode discuss session where we'll see if we can have an algorithm which run in O of n time and also uses constant space. Because if you look carefully, the algorithm which we're gonna implement right now, it's gonna use big O of n time, but it's also gonna use big O of n space. Okay, so let's code it up pretty fast. So answer is 1. Okay, and our let's call this array 1. So this would be the set of nums because the lookup in set is constant. Okay, and yeah, so that's why we'll use this. So while our answer, or yeah, so what our answer is in ARR1, we keep increasing it, and as soon as it breaks out of this array range, we just return it. So let's see. Cool, so it's accepted, right? So we have an accepted solution which has been asked by top tier companies in less than a minute. But as promised, let's also have a little brainstorming where we can see if we have a constant space solution also. Okay. Okay, so the first one, this one, let's see. Okay, so this is what do you say? This is a big of n solution. Let's not look at this. Let's look at this. This is the constant space one. So what is he doing? He's taking the n, the length of nums, then iterating through that. Now correct position. Okay. while nums I is in between this, he's swapping it. I don't know, let's take a look at another one. It's not pretty clear. Bit manipulation, yeah. Bit manipulations are always kind of tricky, but let's go to the next one. Someone which explains what he's doing. Oh, heap. See, if we use heaps, then we're gonna use space, right? So if we're gonna use heap, we're gonna use space, right? Yeah, that's what it is. This does not, this solution is not constant space, so. I guess that's the thing which makes it a hard solution. Like it's easy to come up with a working solution pretty fast, but the part of constant space that that's the one which is a bit tricky. Yeah, I guess this is a constant space. Okay, so let's check it out. So he's iterating in this array, right? And if that's a negative number, we continue, else while n is less than equal to nums and n is greater than equal to 0, we're taking this stem. Okay, idea, change nums I minus 1 to float infinity for all items. If it's a valid number, meaning that we have seen n in nums, then we transverse. Okay, so how's this big of n in time complexity? Okay, fine. So not able to understand this, so I guess let's leave it at that, guys. Okay, so that'll be the end of this video, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, if you like this brainstorming thing, right, please give it a like and subscribe. I really need it. Okay, and I hope this video is gonna help you ace those data science, data engineering interviews, right? So that'll be the end of this video. Take care, guys. Bye.